Hey everyone, welcome back to Toon Talk English.
Hi, friends. In today's episode, we're going to practice real-life questions and answers you can use every day.
Yes, you'll learn how to ask questions in different situations and how to answer them naturally.
Exactly. Listen carefully, repeat with us, and imagine you're part of the conversation. Ready?
Let's begin. Good morning, Aryan. Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready too?
I think so, but I still need my coffee.
Same here. By the way, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I usually wake up at 6:30, but today I overslept.
Happens to everyone sometimes. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a YouTuber. I create English learning videos.
That's amazing. How many hours do you work in a week?
Around 40 hours. Sometimes even more when I'm editing videos.
Wow, that's hard work. Do you enjoy what you do?
Absolutely. Helping others learn English makes me happy.
By the way, who do you want to meet this weekend?
I want to meet my best friend, Ria.
That's nice. What do you want to tell her?
I want to share some good news.
When will she come?
She said she'll come in 10 minutes. Aryan, are you afraid of speaking English in front of people?
I used to be, but not anymore. Practice really helps.
That's true. Are you confident now?
Yes, I'm sure I can do it.
Great. That's the spirit learners should have.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving. What about you?
Same here. What do you want to eat?
I'm craving pizza today.
Great, let's order one. What drink would you like?
Maybe lemonade. What about you?
I'll take a cold coffee.
Perfect. By the way, how much does a pizza cost here?
Around $10, I think.
Not bad. I'll pay this time.
No, let me pay. You paid last time.
Fine. We'll split the bill then.
Deal.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
That's expensive. Do you have any discount?
Sorry, no discount for you today.
No, come on. How's the weather today?
It's very cold.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I enjoy winter more than summer.
Same here. When are you traveling next?
I'm leaving tomorrow for Mumbai.
Wow. Have a safe trip. How many siblings do you have?
I have 3. What about you?
I have twin sisters.
That must be fun. How many hours do you spend with your family?
Around 3 hours daily. I love family time.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and paint sometimes.
That's nice. Do you like photography?
Yes, I enjoy capturing memories. What about you?
I play guitar and listen to rock music.
Wow, you're multi-talented. How much do you earn per hour?
I make $10 per hour.
That's nice. How much do you save monthly?
Around $200?
Good habit. I'm trying to save more too. How much time do you spend on your phone daily?
Around 2 hours. What about you?
Maybe 3 hours. I spend a lot of time replying to comments.
That's part of being a YouTuber.
True. Why did you start learning English?
To improve my communication and confidence.
Great reason. Why did you start exercising?
For a healthier lifestyle.
Same here. I believe small habits create big changes.
So, Neha, how was your day?
It was productive. I learned, worked, and talked with you.
That's great. Are you tired now?
A little, but happy tired.
Me too. Shall we wrap up?
Yes, let's end with one message for our learners. Friends, today we practiced lots of daily questions and answers.
Try to use them in your real conversations.
Don't just listen, repeat and speak with us.
The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
Keep learning,
keep smiling, and stay connected with Toon Talk English.